So I'm going to do a recap of the trades that I took on gold. Today I took a lot of trades on gold, and I think I was trying to do back to back, and sometimes I got my stop loss hit. But you have to watch the video to the end, okay? Because this is not going to be about the normal entries, as you know. Okay, there are certain times that I fail to use the SOP and then went beyond that. Okay, that is a bit advanced. Okay, all right. So and your comment, your questions that you sent, I'm still working on it and trying to um, group them into categories. Okay, so that when I do the video, at least it answers all the questions. Those that I'm not able to answer, that I don't have ideas on, I will also tell you that I don't know anything about it. Anyway, so let's go. Let's go on to gold. Okay, so gold, right? The previous day we had a breakout, a daily breakout. All right, so we had a daily breakout. So starting the day today, I was actually bullish on gold. I was actually bullish on gold, but funny enough, I didn't take any of the buy trades. Okay, any of the buy trade. All right, so we had a breakout the previous day. We closed above this particular resistance level. Okay, so the next one, right? I was expecting price to still rally up. Okay, all right. So now what I saw was that there was this weekly level. Okay, this weekly level, this weekly SNL. So you have a breakout. So you have a breakout. Okay, so this becomes resistance. Okay, and this is also resistance. So you have those two levels here. All right, and then what else? What's these levels? This is the weekly. Okay, on the weekly. Now there's something that some of the mentors call equilibrium. It's not the equilibrium that you know in smart money. Okay, so equilibrium is defined as the situation where a level on a higher time frame, SNR level is also the same as what a lower time frame SNR. For instance, this level here, when you go to the daily. Okay, when you go to the daily, right, what is it? We have an S now here. See, we have a resistance here. Okay, so this resistance got broken, became fresh again. So reuse and broken, and so it has become fresh again. Okay, and if you have this open close here also. Okay, so this makes this level equilibrium. Okay, so it's a level. So when you find equilibrium, that's a level that appears on different time frame. Okay, it makes the level a higher probability. Okay, so now what happened? So first of all, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So this morning, this is what I decided to do. Okay, so here, okay. So on this at this particular level, I'm coming where here. So this is where I took my first loss. Okay, so I was looking at this zone. So I was looking at this zone. I was looking at this zone for a buy. Okay, so I wanted to buy here, right? So I decided to take a sell from here to here before I buy. Okay, so on that one, I think 5 minutes, on 5 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, so on 5 minutes and 1 minute, we had a breakout. Okay, so we had a breakout. Price broke out to the downside on 1 minute. Let me show you. 1 minute. Okay. So because of this structure here, right? It broke out. Okay, came down. So I decided to sell from here. I decided to sell from here. Decided to sell from here. Okay, so price just started going up, and then I made losses. Okay, so I lost this trade. Lost this trade. All right. So when I lost this trade, I look at this particular level, right, and then went to the 4 hour. went to the 4 hour, I saw that there was a lot of misses. Okay, so there were, you see all these misses here. You not see a base here, you not see a base here, right? You not see a base here, but on the MT4 there was a base. This is for forward time frame. On MT4 there was a base. Okay, so MT4 we had a base. See, so we had a base here. So we have a drop, base drop, which is a resistance. So we have a resistance breakout here. All right, so I mark this breakout like this. Mark this particular level like this. Okay, and the entire zone was a resistance. Okay, so we see that price had been reacting to this whole zone for many days. Okay, has been reacting to this zone for many days now. So when price came here, when I saw this, okay, with all this miss, okay, and I saw the speed at which price was going, I put in my limit orders here, sell limits. Okay, think I did sell limits, community. Sorry. Okay, so you can see that this is what I did on the community, just loaded, okay, at that level, right? That is without confirmation. Okay, it was high risk, but because I know this method, okay, so I loaded here, right? And then price just came in and dropped. Okay, so when price went in, where are we? Yeah. Okay, so when price came in here, there was no confirmation. So I immediately closed the trade and then now was waiting for confirmation. So confirmation, I want to see price trade below, okay, this or this resistance. I close below this resistance. Okay, so when price closed below this resistance, I could take the trade. Okay, I could take the trade from here. Okay, so I missed the entry here and then I took it from here. I took it from this level. Okay, so I sold from this level up to here, and then my take profit was here. Okay, on the 1 hour level, this particular level here. Okay, so this was my exit zone. So I think where's the trade? This was my exit, exit. Not this. Okay, so you can see that here my exit was right here, and so that is a level that price came to hit and then started rallying. Okay, so I missed the buy, I got the sell, missed the buy. Okay, so price started going, and for the buy, I wasn't watching. I don't know. Okay, so this is where price came to react to the zone. Okay, so if I was looking, I would have taken after closing above this level. Okay, I would have bought maybe here. Okay, I would have bought here. All right, and put my stop loss maybe somewhere. My stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, so price started rallying and I wasn't following. Okay, so at this point I couldn't enter. There was no entry, there was no chance to enter. Okay, unless you are using SNL very well and you understand it very well, you could have maybe entered. Price didn't come back to fill any of the SNL level on this part, even on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so now I decided, okay, I should go back to that level, that weekly level here. So you realize that even here, the weekly level is different from the one on the uh, trading view. So here, this is the weekly level. These are the weekly levels. So we have this resistance and that resistance. Okay, so this was a level. All right, so price was coming and I talked to you about equilibrium. I mentioned equilibrium. Okay, so in this case, this is how it looks like. Okay, it's different from the other one. So this was my sell zone. Okay, this was my sell zone. So I was just looking at it whilst it was flying. So I went to, I think, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, was in 1 minute on the 1 minute chart. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, here. So on 1 minute, this is an interesting thing. Okay, because price has hit my weekly level, and then we know you know that for me, the confirmation is supposed to be what? On a 4-hour chart, a 4-hour rejection, a 30-minute breakout. That is another way. Okay, that is another way. This is high risk. Okay, this is high risk. But this in this high risk, there is a secret that I have. It is always this thing. Okay, so now price traded and go and traded below all these levels. Okay, so when traded below this level, I took this buy. When price broke this zone, I took this sell. Okay, I took this sell, and then I was just watching to see price close before the candle close. Okay, I was just expecting price to close below this level before um the the full 1 hour candle closes. Okay, so the full 1 hour candle close above it, and then I saw this thing going up. I was even planning on closing, and then it started dropping. Okay, so it dropped very well. Okay, it dropped very well, and then it was good. Okay, so now so we drop from here back to here. So now you see this is the daily to daily storyline. That's daily to daily storyline. So watch. You have a level here. This level is missed by a bit on this particular chart. Now the problem is how to contend with the two charts. Me, I just even don't look at the trading view anymore. I'm just on my broker. Okay, find my broker, look at the levels on my broker, and then I just take the trade. But you can mix both of them if your broker is displaying these candles. Okay, so now there's this daily level and this daily level has missed. Okay, so I was looking at daily to daily. So selling from here, where is going to be my first take profit? It's going to be a 4-hour resistance if I'm using daily to daily. Okay, remember the weekly hasn't closed, so daily to daily, this will be the daily level. Okay, this will be the 4-hour resistance. Okay, so where to take your first profit is what the next 4-hour resistance. Okay, which will be here, out, get out at this level. Okay, but I got out on the daily to daily. Okay, so daily to daily. So remember, price didn't start, price opened here, didn't come down here, continued going up, and then came to hit this level before coming back. So daily reject daily. Okay, so daily to daily storyline. Okay, so we see what tomorrow will produce. Okay, so the day has already closed, and then we have a daily candle still close above this resistance that has become support. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so what I'll be expecting is, at least if you are still bullish, a movement back to this support, a movement back to this support, wait for confirmation, and then wait for confirmation and take a trade. So I move back to the support, and then get a confirmation and trade above, or okay, or so okay, a straight move to the upside. Okay, but since I'm bullish, I will expect a pullback to this level before I buy. All right, thank you very much. Thank you.